Imagine the scenario. Customer picks up a brand new car, shows off to the neighbour, turns the key in the ignition and the vehicle won't start. The battery's flat. Imagine the kind of dissatisfaction that's going to show to the customer, and in the end to you. Back in 1992, the battery care program was introduced to countermand this sort of problem. Basically it enforced a controlled way of monitoring battery health for the technician and in the end for the customer. Unfortunately, some dealers have found this process difficult to employ. Basically because the battery care program that's been used at the moment can be both arduous and misleading. However, Ford is to launch a new battery care program. The aim of the program is to introduce better service to the customers without increasing the complexity. It is both Ford and the dealer's responsibility to ensure that the customer receives a battery in the most optimum condition. For this to happen, mandatory battery tests will take place within the first 72 hours and at PDI. Charge and replacement actions within the first 72 hours will be reimbursable by Ford. Beyond this stage, the dealer will be responsible. To help you understand how we're going to achieve this, I'd like to introduce you to our Senior Power Supply Engineer, Andrew Rutter.
Experience shows that batteries cannot be accurately diagnosed using a simple voltmeter. The new Ford dealer policy requires all dealers to use this battery tester at the stages detailed within the program. The battery tester is designed to reduce dealer test time, yet it provides full information on all Ford batteries. The battery can be tested in situ without the need to be disconnected from the vehicle. The tester takes less than 30 seconds to diagnose the battery. It has a simple graphical display which informs the operator of battery health. It requires no internal batteries or external power feed and is designed to be entirely standalone. The connection is made via these two crocodile clips to the battery terminals. No damage can occur to either battery tester or battery should the connections be made the wrong way round. Two test settings are required on the tester. Is the battery above or below 0 degrees centigrade? And to set the SAE cold crank amps of the battery on the dial. This value is clearly indicated on all Ford batteries. The charge level indicator displays the amount of charge left in the battery. It is calibrated in 20% increments from empty to full. For instance, should a vehicle be left with its lights left on, it will illuminate fewer LEDs. This doesn't mean the battery is damaged. Maybe recharging the battery will recover it to full strength. The most important test is for condition. This simulates the engine crank cycle and will verify the durability or robustness of the battery. As you can see here, the battery is in perfect condition. Should the battery tester illuminate fewer LEDs, the new Ford battery care policy will clearly instruct dealers what action to take next. It is our intention to prevent any further poor quality batteries being passed on to our customers. In fact, should a dealer suspect a fault with the battery tester, Ford will dispatch a new tester to the dealer within 24 to 48 hours.
Major change with this new program is the fact that batteries will be returned to Parts Recall Centre. This will allow Ford to audit these batteries and ensure dealer operator error doesn't exist. Ford will be also launching this program with a dealer letter. To follow that, a technical service bulletin and a service and policy warranty instruction will allow us to give you the full details of the program. Our dealer pilot we've been launching last year with 10 dealers nationally has given us a very positive overview of the battery care program. To summarise, this program is easy and is a very effective way of looking after batteries.